Humankind now faces a multitude of existential threats. Here are the top 10 threats to the survival of civilization. 10. Alien invasion. An assault on Earth by extraterrestrials isn't exactly likely anytime soon. Even if enemy aliens are out there, they have to come a really long way for no good reason. 9. Asteroid impact. Not an immediate concern, yet more likely than an alien invasion. After all, an asteroid has already wiped out civilization on Earth once before. 8. Bees all die if the bee disappeared off the face of the Earth, and would only have 4 years left to live. 7. Artificial intelligence takeover. A large autonomous army could attack humans because of a command error. Billions of nanobots with narrow AI could be created in a terrorist attack and create a global catastrophe. 6. Quantum computing. In malevolent hands, such power would also enable design of more effective poisons. Using quantum computers, a novel pandemic agent could be engineered without the need for time-consuming ordinary chemical trial and error. 5. Complexity's instability. Any sufficiently complex system is at risk of reaching a tipping point. The slightest disturbance can initiate a collapse. So a seemingly insignificant event can trigger an apocalypse. 4. Social media. Combined with other options for vast destruction, social media could accelerate civilization's devastation while impeding efforts to prevent it. 3. Pandemics. Scientists say viruses and other microbes are formidable foes in a never-ending competition for planetary domination. In that natural evolutionary competition, Leaderbird wrote, there is no guarantee that we will find ourselves the survivor. 2. Nuclear war. Humanity is just one misunderstanding, one miscalculation away from nuclear annihilation, UN Secretary General has warned.
1. Climate change. Higher average temperatures, hotter summers, melting sea ice, severe droughts, wildfires, powerful hurricanes and, even stronger winter storms are happening. Catastrophic climate change could instigate wars, famines and rebellions. Let's tighten our belts to save our forests, rivers and seas and polar ice caps and take measures to save our environment and Mother Earth. Or else we are doomed.